Hi, welcome to the Eat Well Dietitian YouTube channel. My name is Athena. Thanks for checking out my channel. Today I'm going to make chia seed jam. I've been wanting to try this for a while. I have a bunch of Marion berries that somebody gave me and I'm not going to be able to eat them before they go bad, so I'm going to make chia seed jam. So if anybody's used chia seeds, you know when you mix them with water they kind of thicken up and get a little bit gelatinous. So the idea is that you can use chia seeds in your jam instead of pectin. So I don't know that it necessarily makes jam healthy, but you would get some extra added nutrition benefit, some omega-3s, some anti-inflammatory properties from the chia seeds, and then it will thicken up your jam. So the recipe I found is super easy. It's just some berries and sugar and chia seeds, and that's it. It only takes about 15 minutes. All right, let me know what you think of my video.